Now, one of the best things about traveling is eating and trying out different foods in the cities that you're in. Now, in this case, we're in Seattle, Washington, where seafood is the best, and specifically, Dungeness crab.
See what happens when that shit hits the fan. Hey ho, what goes around? What they mean when they jockey down.
We also have some fresh Pacific oysters, and then of course these gooey duck clams that I'll never eat.
But once again, I was wrong, of course. To jockey down is to lose.
But we're spending some time in the Seattle kitchen of Chef Eugene Park and his wife Mariko tonight for a seafood festival here in the Pacific Northwest.
I know now what they mean when they jockey down. She was the best, she was way ahead. The gold was hers if she'd kept her head. The excitement was too much, you know.
Not only Eugene has cut up some fresh sushi, but he's also making some uni, which is the Japanese name for the edible part of sea urchin, seen here, commonly referred to as the roe part or the eggs. It's one of Chef Eugene's specialties.
My girlfriend up at 8. She said, why man are you always late? Got a flat tire and ran out of gas. Got pulled over and they kicked my ass. Hi-ho, broke my crown. Guess I must have jockeyed down. Hey-ho, what comes around? Everybody gets to jockey down. Tally-ho, last one in. Slipped the saddle and I lost some skin. Hey-ho, help me up. Jockey down and I lost the cup. Hi-ho, what goes around? Anybody can jockey down.